In this video, I will explain about how to create a Discord server. So let's try it out. The first thing is head over to your Discord website. Once you will be there and log into your account. And once you do all these things, you will see the same interface like me. Now take a look on the left side, you will see different options. And here you can see the icon of plus. It's called Add a Server, click on it. And now create your servers. Below you will view templates provided by Discord Gaming, Friends, Study, School Club, and much more. And if you want to create your own server, then click on option Create My Own Server. Now here you have to choose your server name. It's for you and for friends, or for a club and for a community. Like I want to create this server for my friends. So that is why I will click on it. I can also upload a picture and I need to write a server name. So I will not upload any picture and I will not change the server name. If you want to do it, then do it by yourself and then click on the option Create. After clicking on Create, here you can see the server has been created. And it was the easy way by which you can create a Discord server